In my previous video, we have learned about the 6 things about algebraic formula. Have you watched it yet? If not, I suggest that you watch that video first and then you come back to this video. In this video, I will teach you how to solve Hotz questions in algebraic formula, and we'll start right now. Hello everyone, my name is Shirley and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here and you'd like to improve in your math skills, start now by subscribing and clicking the bell so that you don't miss anything. Let's take a look at the first question.
For question 1, given that the area of a circle and the area of the curved surface of the cylinder are pi r square and 2 pi r h respectively, A. Express the total surface area A of the cylinder in terms of pi, r and h. And B. Hence, find the value of h in cm when A is equals to 528 cm square, pi is equals to 22/7 and r is equals to 2 cm. To solve question A, to find the total surface area A of the cylinder, so it's actually that total area is 2 circles plus 1 curved surface. So 1 circle is pi r square. So there will be 2 circles means it's 2 pi r square. So for A, for the 2 circles top and bottom, so become A equals to 2 pi r square plus 1 curved surface, which is 2 pi r h. So this is the answer for A. And then B, hence find the value of h in cm, and it's given the values of A, pi and r. Okay, so for here, we have to find the value of h, so which means that we have to make h as the subject on the left hand side. Okay, so from here, we have to move this over to the left hand side, so become A minus 2 pi r square equals to 2 pi r h. Okay, it's because we want to make h as a subject, so therefore we have to shift this 2 pi r over to the left hand side, so become A minus 2 pi r square over 2 pi r, and it's equals to h. And then we swap them around because I want my h to be the subject on the left, so become h equals to A minus 2 pi r square over 2 pi r. And then we substitute the values of A, pi and r. So h equals to, so a value of A is 528. So 528 minus 2, and then the value of pi is 22/7, and then r is 2 cm, so 2 square. So whole thing over, so 2, then pi is 22/7, so 22/7, and r is equals to 2. Okay, so we calculate the top first. So all this, when we use the calculator, we'll get 3,520/7, and the denominator will get 88/7. So therefore, h is equals to 40 cm. So that's the answer. For question 2, the diagram above shows a cuboid with square base of x cm and height h cm. Given the total surface area of the cuboid is A. A. Express h in terms of x and A, and B. Hence, calculate the value of h when x is equals to 2 and A is equals to 48. To solve A, we find the total surface area formula first. So the total surface area is A and is equals to, so there will be 2 squares top and bottom, so each square is x times x, which is x square. So if there's 2 squares, it will be 2x square, and then the sides will be 4 sides, and each side the area is h times x, which is hx or xh, so plus 4xh. Okay, and then since they want us to express h in terms of x and A, we have to move the h as a subject on the left hand side. So how to do it? So we shift this over to the left hand side first, become A minus 2x squared equals to 4xh. And then we have to shift this 4x over to the left hand side. So it become a minus 2x squared over 4x equals to h. And then we swap them around because we want the h to be the subject on the left hand side. So equals a minus 2x squared over 4x. And that's the answer for A. And for B, calculate the value of h when x is 2 and a is 48. So we substitute these two values into this formula. So h is equals to, so a is 48 minus 2 and x is 2, so 2 squared over 4 and x is 2. Okay, so equals, so 48 minus, so 2 squared is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, and over 4 times 2 is 8. So h is equals to 48 minus 8 is 40, so 40 and then over 8. So therefore h is equals to 5 cm, and that's the answer. For question 3, given the formula v is equals to u plus at, find a when v is equals to negative 20, u equals to 120, and t is equals to 5. To solve this question, first of all, we have to make a as the subject on the left hand side, okay, because they're asking to find a. So v equals to u plus at. So in order to make a on the left hand side, we have to shift this u over to the left hand side first. So become v minus u equals to at. And then we shift the t over, become v minus u over t equals to a. And then we swap this around because we want our a to be the subject on the left hand side. Okay, so a is equals to v minus u over t. So next, find a when v is equals to negative 20, u is equals to 120, and t is equal to 5. So we substitute all this value into this formula. So a is equals to, so v is negative 20 minus u is 120 over t is 5. So equals, so negative 20 minus 120 is negative 140 over 5. So therefore a is equals to negative 28. So that's the final answer.
Well, that's all for now. Remember to like my videos if you like it, subscribe to my videos if you think my videos are useful to you, and remember to click the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my latest videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys will keep on learning, keep on practicing, and keep on watching my videos, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!